Open any browser. We recommend using Google Chrome. Visit the site https://sss.sct.edu.om. Input your college username, password and click Login. If there is any request from a student or any forwarded request from other staff, it will appear on your dashboard area. You have 3 buttons: New Requests, Pending Requests, and Completed Requests. Currently there is a new request on the dashboard, which is a request from a student. The subject of the request is about grievance. To process this request, you need to click the request number. After click the request number, you will be redirected to another window with the following options: Dean and Assistant Deans, HODs or HOSs, Staff, Advisor, Counselor, Department Registrar, OJT Coordinator, and Timetable Committee. Check the type of support needed as requested by the student and do what is necessary. If you need to forward the problem to the staff, select Staff option, and browse the staff name on the drop-down list. You can search the staff name by typing his or her name on the text box for Search Staff and press the search icon. The name of the staff will then appear on the drop-down list. Input the message and action needed to the comment section. To inform the student that his or her request is still pending, you can click on the button with Request Pending button. Another button is for replying to student that his or her request is already closed. And the last button is to forward to another staff who will process the request. Let us click on the Forward button to forward this request and wait for the page to reload. The new request on your dashboard is now removed and moved to the Pending Requests. Click on Pending Request and you will see the status as forwarded. The task will then be forwarded to the staff which you have selected to forward to, and will do the same process until the request is closed and solved. After doing your task, you can now log out from the system.